In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up areas and alerts on RightMove, one of the most popular property websites in the UK. Whether you're looking to rent or buy, setting up alerts can save you a lot of time and help you stay updated on the latest properties that fit your criteria. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the RightMove website. Here, you'll want to start by clicking either Rent or For Sale, depending on whether you're looking to rent or buy a property. This step sets the initial filter for your search. Once selected, you can type in the location of the area you're interested in. You can search by city, town, or postcode. If you already know the exact area you're focusing on, entering the postcode is usually the most precise option. After entering your location, click on For Sale again, which will direct you to the page containing properties available in your selected area. To refine your search, you can adjust the search radius to include properties within a certain distance from your specified location. This feature is really helpful if you're flexible about how far you can be from a particular spot. Next, you have the option to filter properties by type. You'll find a section called Property Types, which includes options like houses, flats, or new homes, among others. Choose the ones that match your interest. Following that, you can set a price range. This helps narrow down the properties within your budget, ensuring that you only view those that are affordable to you. Selecting the number of bedrooms is another important filter. You can usually set a minimum and maximum number of bedrooms, which helps if you have specific requirements on the size of the property. Once all these filters are set, click on Search Properties to view a list of available options. If you're a visual person and prefer a map view, look for the Map View button. Clicking this will switch your results to a map format. On the map, you'll see a Draw option, which allows you to draw a custom search area. This is particularly useful if you know exactly which parts of a city or town you're interested in. Simply click Draw, use your mouse to outline the area, and then finalize by clicking View Properties within it. Once you've drawn and set your area, you have the option to save it. This means that you won't have to repeat these steps each time. Give this area a name that you'll remember, and then click Save Drawn Area. Finally, to stay informed of new listings, click Create Alert. Choose Instantly if you want to receive real-time updates whenever a new property within your criteria becomes available. That wraps up our tutorial on setting up areas and alerts on RightMove. Setting this up correctly can be a powerful tool in your property search, allowing you to act fast when something new hits the market. Happy house hunting, and thanks for watching.